What's up guys and welcome to WSM Research. On this channel, we go over some of the hottest high growth and innovative stocks that you might want to consider investing in today. Keep in mind that we are not financial advisors and this video is for educational purposes only. Make sure to do your own research before making any investment. First off, we have Beyond Meat, whose stock has been under pressure lately, falling almost 25% over the past month. This is despite the fact that they have recently announced some partnerships that should be very accretive to their growth going forward. On January 25th, Beyond Meat released their fourth quarter earnings results that slightly missed analysts' expectations. They lost 34 cents per share, while analysts only expected a 13-cent loss, and they made $102 million of revenue, while analysts were expecting $103 million. This was a very small miss, with revenue just 1% below expectations. But with the earnings release, they also announced two new partnerships with Yum Brands and McDonald's, which could potentially be game changers for the business. On the news, the stock initially surged by almost 10%, but quickly gave up all the gains as the broader market sold off, taking shares of Beyond down with it. This potentially gives a good entry point for investors who believe in the company long term. The agreement with McDonald's is a 3-year strategic partnership where Beyond Meat will be the preferred supplier of the new McPlant Fake Meat Burger, and the two companies will also explore new plant-based menu options, including chicken, pork, and eggs. This deal has huge potential for Beyond Meat, because McDonald's is a leading fast food restaurant in the world with over 38,000 locations globally, so the potential for revenue is massive. But beyond just the revenue they can make directly from McDonald's, the deal will also raise awareness of Beyond Meat as a brand. McDonald's is one of the world's most iconic brands, with Forbes ranking it number 10 in the most valuable global brands. By being associated with McDonald's, Beyond Meat will gain more credibility with consumers, who will be more likely to buy their products at grocery stores or other venues. Their strategic deal with Yum Brands is similar to where they will co-create plant-based protein menu options over the next few years. Yum Brands is a conglomerate that owns KFC, Pizza Hut, and Taco Bell. With this partnership, Beyond Meat will get access to all of these brands. These deals are major votes of confidence in the quality of Beyond Meat's product by some of the most sophisticated and iconic global brands. And with the secular trends around sustainability and veganism increasing every year, Beyond Meat can be a great long-term play if you are willing to stomach the high volatility of the stock. Next off, we have Japanese video game maker Nintendo, which trades on the OTC markets in the US under the ticker symbol NTDOY. The stock has been a strong performer, increasing 78% in the last year. In many ways, the pandemic has benefited them. For example, their game Animal Crossing has skyrocketed in popularity as people use it to interact with their friends while they are forced to stay at home. One of the most valuable franchises within Nintendo is Pokemon. In November of 2019, Nintendo released Pokemon Sword and Shield for the Nintendo Switch. It became one of the most popular Pokemon games in history, selling more than 20 million copies by the third quarter of 2020. This makes it the best performing Pokemon game since Gold and Silver in 1999. The increase in popularity comes not just from the target demographic of young children, but also from young adults who grew up playing the earlier games on the Game Boy and DS and want to get back into Pokemon for the nostalgia. And Nintendo has 3 new Pokemon games to come out over the next 2 years that could be massive drivers of growth. On February 26th, the official Pokemon YouTube channel released a Pokemon Presents video that became number 1 on trending and garnered more than 3.6 million views in just one day. In the video, they announced the 2 new Pokemon games and showed new gameplay footage of Pokemon Snap, which was just announced a while ago. Pokemon Snap is first and will be coming out on the Nintendo Switch in April of this year. This game offers an immersive open-world environment where you can search for and photograph wild Pokemon. Next off, in the holiday season of 2021, they'll be releasing Pokemon Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl, remakes of the 2007 DS games Diamond and Pearl. The original storyline is faithfully maintained, but the graphics and gameplay are significantly upgraded. This game is likely to be a hit among young adults who grew up playing the original games on the DS. But the real exciting news is the brand new game Legend Arceus that will be released in early 2022. The game takes place in the Sinnoh Pokemon region, but has a brand new storyline. The graphics are breathtaking, reminiscent of Legends of Zelda Breath of the Wild. It's a step function higher in quality than any other Pokemon game we've seen in the past. Furthermore, it includes much more first-person functionality, where you can throw Pokeballs at the Pokemon in the first-person open world, outside of the normal turn-based RPG format. This game is likely to be a mega hit and has the potential to bring a whole new cohort of gamers into the Pokemon franchise because the gameplay looks so different than previous games. With the Diamond and Pearl remakes, as well as the brand new Legends Arceus games driving growth, 2022 could be a record year for Nintendo for both revenue and profit. If you believe in the potential for these new games, it may make sense to buy into Nintendo stock now before the hype starts building up as we get closer to the release dates. Alright guys, that wraps it up for this video. What do you guys think about Beyond Meat and Nintendo? Are you planning on buying any of the new Pokemon games? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. As always, thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one. WSM Research, signing out.